Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are house hunting, guys. Yes, and this is the first home that we're looking into, so stay tuned.
Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. Okay guys, we are in the first home tour and I am checking out the walls of the beautiful how they have the sheetrock and also the molding in the home. So this is the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. And this is one of the closets. I don't care for the closets too much because they are not walk-in closets, but they do have two in the master bedroom. And I hate those racks that they have in the bathroom, but that is doable. And we're walking into the master bathroom. Guys, it is spacious. The camera is not doing it any justice, but it is beautiful. It has this stand-up shower in it. Beautiful. And it has this beautiful garden tub. I love it. And then it has this window with plenty of light. I love it. I love the countertops and everything that's in the bathroom with the double sinks. So let's walk back through. Here we're in the kitchen. I love the kitchen, but I wish the island was a little bit longer. But hey, this is something that you can also do a DIY in because you can expand it out longer. And it has plenty of chemistry in it. Much chemistry. They have a whole lot of cabinets. And also, these are soft close. Now the pantry, guys, is not real big, but hey, it is doable. Just like I say, I do not like those racks, but that can be adjusted. It can be gone and redone. But yes, and I would change the door and everything on it, or either change the hardware. Now I love this laundry room. It's right off of the kitchen. Very beautiful. Yes. And this kitchen have a big, huge window in it, which is so much light. Yes, guys. Lots of light. And y'all can see now it has cabinets all over. It has on the island and all the way around. So they have plenty chemistry in the kitchen. And also this is the dining room with the back door. And this is the overflow of the family room. Very spacious, guys. Yes, it is very spacious. I love it. So let's tour these other three bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. It's not real big, but hey, this is bedroom number 3. And this is the bathroom that splits bedroom 3 and 4. Very beautiful. You can see back there that the bathroom, the shower head is a stand-up shower. It's a combo. And this is number 4. And this is the closet here. So this is beautiful, guys. And carpet is in all of the bedrooms. So let's go to house number 2. Beautiful. I like the outside of it. Love it. So here is the living room, guys. And it has an open floor. Yes, it flows from the living room to the kitchen and also in the family room. It is spacious. It is beautiful. But on this end, it starts the bedrooms. So let's go and check out bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. And this is the bathroom. It's a combo. Very nice, very big. And guys, here is bedroom number 2. They have much closets in here, and the bedrooms are bigger. This is bedroom number 3. Very big. And you notice they don't have carpet on the floors in here. It is hardwood all the way through. Let's walk to. Now, here, the island, I wish it was much bigger, but turned the opposite way. I would love for it to have been the opposite way here. Yes. Okay, guys, and I would love to have your opinion on the island. I think it should have been, instead of 2 deep, it should be 4 deep. So let me know in the comments what do you think about the island as well. And I love this pantry. I forgot to go inside to see how big it was, but hey. So with this room, guys, it is a bonus room that it could be an office. Love it, love it. And here is the back entryway and also the laundry room. I would do away with this sink in there as well. And this is the family room. Yes, it is also spacious as well. And this is the master bedroom, guys. It is huge. The camera is not giving it any justice at all. And as you see, I am coming in the master bathroom. Guys, look at this beautiful tub. Love it, love it, love it. It is a standalone. And this has 2 closets too. And these closets are walk-in closets. I love those as well. And they are much bigger than the one in the first home. And each one of the sinks are separated on each side. And this too has a window inside. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you know when I am uploading new content, guys. So until the next time, guys, be good or be good at it, and I will see you guys in the next one.